weird food slimes into clear slime. So these are just a bunch of weird like food slimes. These are like the weirdest right now. I just found them. I saw one video a while ago on this one and it looks very interesting, and I have been going to Walmart every single day and I haven't been able to find it, but finally they're here. And then these are also just some random ones that I really want to try out. So yeah, let's just get straight on into the video. Yo! Alright, first we're gonna do, guys, is this lemon lime slime soda thingamajigger. This is by the Slime Factory. Oh, these are all by the Slime Factory, okay. So there we go. Yes, that is so clear. I think these are scented, supposed to be scented. Yeah, they're scented. Okay, this is so beautifully clear, and it's like super, it's like a jiggly store-bought slime. Ooh, that smells good. It smells like lemon lime, which I think it's lemon lime soda. Yeah, it smells like lemon lime. Like kind of like Sprite or something, just citrusy. Get some clear slime, some nice clear slime. And we put our little jelly slime thing. Jiggly. It's not jelly, I guess. Okay, that is not mixing very well. I think I've done one like this before. It was with root beer though. It wasn't lemon lime, so yeah. Okay, so this is kind of getting like a bit hard. All right, guys, so this kind of like, it's kind of mixing, but like, it smells good. Anyways, it's kind of mixing, but kind of not at the same time, so yeah. Alright guys, let's get on to the next one. Next we're gonna do, guys, is this mustard slime, and this one is scented. Oh gosh, mustard scented slime. I hope it doesn't smell like mustard, guys. Okay, let's open it. I just want to take a second to just say how adorable these little containers are. Like, they're the cutest thing ever. I don't like the little indent it has, but this is such a cute container. Just have to say that. Okay, it says it looks and feels real, but like, this who feels mustard? Okay, let's smell this. Okay, well, at first it just kind of smells like a regular, like the slime smell that usually store-bought slimes have. But then I smelled like a hint of garlic in there, I think, and that was weird. It's like kind of there in the background. That is so weird. Okay, let's go ahead and put that on top of here. And this is a very different, this is a weird slime texture. I don't know if you guys can see. So I wonder what will happen. It's mixing very well, I think. All right, so this is interesting. It just got like weirder. I think it was better off without the clear slime. This is kind of like reminding me of like dough, because like it's almost like a squishy, because like when you squish it, but then it like kind of goes back to the way it was. So this is very, very weird. But anyways, here is the end result of that. So yeah. All right, well, enough of that. Ta-da! We made more slime, guys. We doubled it. Okay, guys, so we're gonna be doing another soda slime, and I have this clear slime that is like really sticky. It's not super sticky. It's like halfway activated, literally, and it's literally sticking to my hands a lot because of the other slime. But anyways, I don't even think it's clear slime anymore. It's halfway. I'm kind of mad, but anyways, let's go ahead and add all these soda slimes into it. I want to see if it will like work better since it's sticky and like melted. So yeah. All right, so we got our slime. Well, I can't really smell anything, but can we just look at how weird this is? Let's add that onto there, and let's mix. All right, well, it seems like it's kind of mixing a little bit better. I literally have slime all over my hands. It is so annoying. Yeah, I don't think this slime mixes with clear slime, guys. These slimes do not mix. Okay, well, this one was like literally even worse than the first one, I feel like. So yeah, let's get on to the next one. All right, I'm gonna attempt to use this melted slime again. Yeah, this one is a little bit less melted. Okay, I have this whole container over here, guys, that is like the bottom of it is kind of like melted, and then the top is better. So this is like more from the top, but it's still kind of sticky. So next we're gonna put is this marshmallow slime, scented. Looks and feels real. Now that's okay because it's like not weird. This is how I open these, guys, by the way. If you have a horrible time opening seals because you hate opening them, that's me. Like that. And ta-da! All right, I can't wait to smell this one because marshmallow mush or frosting, whatever, it smells good. So let's see. Okay, that smells fantastic. It smells so good. I like this slime because it's kind of like just a squishy slime, and it's pretty stretchy, usually. I feel like this one just needs to be kind of mixed a little bit. It smells so good. All right, let's go ahead and mix it and see what happens. Will it mix? Well, this one's mixing with the slime a little bit better, like faster and like just smoother, but it's still pretty hard and not very good. All right, here's what it turned into. It literally looks like dough. This one especially, because it's like a dough color. Watch this, guys. I want to try and stick this to the wall. Okay. Okay, third try. Let's not do that. Just trying to figure out if there's anywhere else. That wall. You guys ready? Never mind that. All right, well that was a bad idea, I guess. Anyways, here's how it turned out. It's pretty, it's like weirdly sticky, but it's not stretchy, and it's the weirdest thing ever. I don't suggest doing it. It's a bad idea. But let's just keep doing it because it kind of looks cool, so yeah. All right, there you go. A new and improved marshmallow slime. We have this much extra too. Next one we're gonna do, guys, is the spaghetti slime. Paul, that's not even real.
It looks real. Look, it looks and feel real. All
right, I love the box on this. It's so cute. Okay, that is interesting. Oh my gosh, there's little spaghettis in there. Okay, let's open this. We got some, I guess this is the sauce. All right, well, here's that. I kind of want to eat these too. They look so real. They're very rubbery. Okay, why do these look so real? Does that just show how bad spaghetti is for you?
Hey, don't talk bad about spaghetti.
There it is. Then we put that on top of there. And voila, spaghetti.
Looks delicious.
All right, well that doesn't really go well together. It's cool to have it like this. It looks like spaghetti, honestly, but it's terrible. Anyways, let's go ahead and get our slime now. I'm gonna be adding them separately. So we're gonna put this slime in here, and we're gonna put some noodles in this slime. So yeah, let's mix that. All right, well here it is all mixed up. It's not that bad. I think it's better but by itself. I don't know, it kind of made it stretchier, I feel like. Yeah, it definitely made it stretchier, and it's more like soft. It's just softer. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and do the spaghetti now. Spaghetti, and let's add it into there. Let's see how well it sticks in there. Oh. Whoa, it's actually sticking very well. It's kind of funny. It looks so cool. This looks so cool. Honestly, I love this. It's so funny. Okay, all right, well, that is it for this one. These would be so cool, honestly, if they were like cut in half. That way the slime could be kind of like play with more, like, you know, just cut it to cut. It feels like it's stretched better already. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and mix these now. Our spaghetti, we have our spaghetti, and then we have our sauce, just a little bit because there's too much. And ta-da! Okay, that looks so much better, so cool. And it actually sticks together now. Okay, that looks so cool. All right, well, that is it for that one. Let's get on to the chili one. All right, guys, we're doing the chili one now. That's how it looks. It's very heavy. All right, okay, this is interesting. What the heck? These are little beans, I guess. And then there's that slime again. All right, well, here's this thing, but I don't know. I'm just gonna put that in there. I'm gonna mix some beans in here instead. Those are so cool and so weird. Do they smell like beans? Nah, they don't. All right, let's mix that. I hope it sticks in there. They seem like they will. Nope, they don't stick. But they look really cool. It looks like goat poop. You know when you go like in the mountains and there's just like a little pile of animal poop that's like balls? That's how this looks. They stick in pretty well, but they kind of fall out. All right, well, that is it for that one. Now, guys, can you guess what time it is? Can you sing it with me, if you know? Slime smoothie time! All right, let's go. Alrighty, so we have our chili slime. Okay, so we have our soda slime that Paul squished together for some weird reason. We have our spaghetti slime, a piece of our orange soda slime that we're not gonna put the whole thing. Let's try this marshmallow slime. We have some mustard slime. That looks cool. All right, let's mix. Let's mix these weird slimes. Oh, Some weird type of lasagna chili. Oh my gosh, this actually looks like some type of weird food. Okay. This is very interesting. The little beans, they're not chilies, they're little beans. Look very weird. Oh, there's a little noodle, guys. Ow! Ow, little noodle, that's funny. I'm scared. I shouldn't be doing this. Ow. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you comment down below if you want part 2. And that is it. Thank you so much. And I really hope I see you next time. Bye!